this is my friend Cassie that I scouted on Instagram.
Coach me.
I did. I was like, ooh, she has nice hair. I'm like, will you come teach me how to do my hair? And she actually said yes. So here we are. We just got my hair wet and I just got done cutting my hair. So if you didn't see that video, you can go check that out. I actually went to her hair cutter.
Yes.
Is that even like how you say it? I don't know. Her hair stylist.
Curl specialist.
Her curl specialist. It's a virtual haircut. And after watching your content, I was like, okay, haircut means a lot. Like, we were talking earlier about how products are just like a slice of the pie. A haircut, what would you say?
A haircut is like 50% of like what your hair looks like. Because if you have the right haircut, like you can use almost any hair product and your hair will look good.
Okay, so I got the haircut. She's already influenced me so much. If you are someone that wants to learn more about curly hair, I'm not like the person to go to. I'm learning and I'm gonna teach you as I go, but she has a really awesome Instagram account. She also has a YouTube channel with a few videos over there. Okay. Okay, we will have those in the description for you guys, so go check her out. Tell her that I sent you.
Bonnie usually is using like lots of moisturizing products because she's always like, my hair's so dry, my hair's so dry. And actually, touching her hair, I don't feel like Bonnie has dry hair at all, actually. And I feel like Bonnie's hair is pretty like well moisturized. So we're not gonna use super moisturizing products today, and we're gonna use this is a spray leave-in from Kassie, and it has protein in it, which I think Bonnie could use a good amount of like protein, like not a full-on treatment, but some stylers that have protein just to, you know, give her hair curls a little bit more structure and hold.
I mean, you can do it for me if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, why not?
Get my hands in it. That's what it's all about, right?
Okay.
Yeah, because like, so, and then I can also kind of show like when styling your hair, like we're raking through products. Like I kind of watched your video and like
I actually made that video for you to watch me do my hair so you would know like what I do and don't do.
Yeah.
So
yeah, like
critique away.
Yeah, no, like that's like just another thing that I'm like, your haircut makes a huge difference, but also like your technique makes a huge difference as well.
Okay.
So like using the right technique can make a huge difference with how your hair like comes out. So I went ahead and did that. I almost kind of want to add a little bit more water to your hair. Like
yeah.
I would flip my hair all over to one side.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is like how I do my hair. Some people will do everything all upside down, but then that leads to like the flatness in the back, where if you go like from side to side, it's like more like, you know, it's like you're not all stuck in the back.
Okay.
But yeah, we don't want to use too much product. So we're taking the Hydro Flexi Jelly, and I'm taking like just a little bit in my hand. I'm gonna rub it together. And I'm gonna show you, this is another thing that I do, like, so rake it through. And this is, you glazed your gel over. I like to rake it over, just because I feel like you get more hold that way.
Okay.
And then I'm like, oh, like, go for more product? No. Rub your hands together more. There's more product.
Okay.
Yeah, instead of going in for too much product, because that's something else that's easy to do, is like overuse.
Because when I was looking at a bunch of people's content, they were always like, use more, you're not using enough. But maybe that's not.
There's a fine line between it, because like with products like Curlsmith's stuff is like pretty concentrated, so you don't need to use as much. Same with like Inner Sense is kind of like that too. All right, now we're gonna
switch.
Yes, flip over to this side, kind of like roll your neck around. Yeah, and we're gonna do this. I'm like getting it off your scalp and raking it away from your scalp.
Okay, so far I'm following. I can do this.
Add a little bit more water.
Okay, so I'm actually surprised that you're adding more water. So when they say to let your hair, to keep your hair really wet while you do it, they mean it.
Yeah, well, I mean, it depends on like what your like hair needs are. Some people like styling damp. Some people like styling like their hair really, really, really wet. But yeah, I like styling my hair like more like wet.
Okay.
Let me see here. So I'm seeing like, so we have a little bit of wet frizz, and usually the way to get rid of it is to just add more water. Like, so if you're like, oh, my hair is like frizzy while it's wet, it's gonna be frizzy while it's dry. I'm actually like, you might have kind of low porosity hair.
What?
Because, well, I'm just looking at it and like the water is like kind of like not soaking in super fast. I'm like, I wonder if you have like low porosity hair.
Which would mean?
Like that means it's more closed, and that would mean that like you would benefit from using like more heat, like deep conditioning with heat and that kind of stuff. Sorry, making you bend over for so long.
It's okay. This is worth it. Are you kidding me?
Get those lower back muscles. We have a little bit of like extra stringiness back here. That's why I'll add extra water to kind of help that like come together. Like you can even, what I'll do sometimes is I'll just like turn the sink faucet on and just take water in my hand and just squish it into my hair. Yeah, to help like get like extra moisture in your hair. And see, like I'll wet it and then kind of like and see like they're already kind of like clumping back together. Like,
wow.
Yeah. Yeah, wow, that's such a big difference.
Wow. Okay, I'm excited to like watch this back.
Yeah.
So you're taking a lot more time doing this than I would have like thought.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and I mean, again, like I'm just being like a little extra because, you know, it's a special occasion. More than moisturizing products, you just need like more water in your hair.
Okay.
And more like really pulse it in. Like, have you ever heard of like squish to condish?
I have, but I don't really know what it means.
Okay. It's like when you have conditioner in your hair, you like pulse it in like that.
So are you kind of clumping pieces together, or are you just...
I'm not really, I'm kind of like here and there, like a little bit, but mostly it's just like squishing water into your hair, I think makes like a really big difference.
Wow, I'm like this is shocking. Do you do this?
Yeah.
With your hair?
Yeah.
Like when you're like wanting to do it really good?
Yeah, like, oops, sorry, spraying her in the face. Yeah, no problem. If I'm like really taking my time with my hair,
this is what you do.
Be a little bit more like care more about the wet frizz and all that kind of stuff. Because like that's like the thing is like if your hair is wet while it's here, even I could use the brush. Have you ever brush styled?
No.
Okay. Like
I have a Denman brush at home. I should have brought it.
This is fine. This is like kind of the same thing.
Okay.
Like you can like if you take the brush and you kind of like go like this, like clumps them together more. There's like several ways you can clump your hair. I could do like, I actually have like a couple of videos on my YouTube and my Instagram about it. But like getting your hair clumped. Sorry, taking so long.
It's okay. It's really okay. Oh, I'm supposed to be on the side.
Get through.
So we're not working on like defining curls. You're really just like squeezing water into it.
Yeah, but that makes the curls more defined. Like your hair is curly, like naturally curly, and so like by like doing all this stuff, it will like just enhance the natural curl.
Wow. Okay.
Cause yeah, like I can tell you have like a lot. Like your hair's probably way more curly than you realize it is.
That's excellent news.
Yeah. I feel like that's like always the thing. It's like people are like, my hair is like just frizzy. I'm like, oh man, what is it? The Logan something. She's the girl who started Curly Girl Method and Diva Curl. Has a quote. It's like frizz is just like a curl waiting to happen.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, look and see. We have like way more like clumpage going here.
How am I gonna do this without you?
Now ready, like slowly roll your head around to the other side and face this way.
I'll do it really carefully.
And then here, shake it a little bit. Like, yeah, like shake. Yeah.
More water.
That's the key, is like, for you at least. Like, some people love styling their hair. Like, some people love styling their hair damp, but I feel like with you, it's like the key is like more water.
Got it.
And then I'm gonna do mousse because we're gonna get a little extra lift at the roots.
That's what Daisy told me, and I was like, how do you do it just at the roots?
You go like this.
Mm. And Cassie said, don't get hung up on product.
Yes.
Like specific brands. Like obviously that's like what everybody wants to know is like, okay, what did you use in your hair?
It's just one piece of the puzzle, you know?
Yeah.
Because not every hair product here, like, and kind of, can you like go?
Come this way?
Yeah. Not every hair product like is available everywhere in people's price range. Like the truth is like there's great hair products from everywhere and with every budget in mind, and like everybody's hair needs different types of ingredients. So remembering all those things when you like think about what to use for your hair care.
Yeah. But product type. So we put like it's a jelly on the ends.
We used like a very this is like a lightweight jelly. So it's not like a super heavy gel that's gonna weigh your hair down. It'll just add definition without being like super heavy.
And then we put mousse
Yes.
at the roots.
Mousse / foam. Yeah, we're going for like not a super crazy defined look today, but we are gonna plop because Bonnie's never plopped before.
I'm scared. I'm like, wait.
Yeah, it sounds like so gross, like plop. But you basically just like take the hair. Actually, should we just micro plop? I kind of want to micro. No, we're gonna full on plop. Okay, so we got that, and then come up. And it is not like pretty looking. Okay. But okay, is it all in? Okay, yeah, we got it all in. Okay. Yep. Come up. And then just kind of chill out for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yep. Or like 5-10 minutes, however long you want. I usually will do my makeup while I plop.
Okay. So I'm gonna take this out. Do I just let it just kind of fall out? Okay.
Wow! Look how
Does it look pretty good? Oh, it really did.
Yeah.
When you were like, let's put your hair in a plop, I was like, oh, I don't want to. I don't know. I've never done it.
I've never done this before.
Good.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And I feel like we're dry enough that I can start diffusing. Yeah, I like kind of reach and like lift a little bit at the roots to get a little extra volume. Okay. And we're gonna like do kind of like a hover diffusing to get like a little more like lift in your roots. Okay. And then once I've dried your roots a bit, I'll like cup it and like move up. Okay.
With your bangs, like when I first cut mine, I was like, I don't know, am I supposed to just, do you just incorporate them in with all of it?
Yeah, I usually don't do anything with my bangs.
Okay.
Like I kind of just let them do what they want.
Oh, okay. Okay, I wanted to show you what my hair looked like once we got done drying it, and we've kind of let it sit in the cast. That's what they call it before you uncurl it out. We've got some like a few like wonky ones, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Looks a little wild like this. At least that's one thing that I've been doing right.
Yeah, scrunch in the crunch, shake it out.
She's going in there.
Yeah.
I like having you do it.
Yeah, I know, isn't it like so fancy?
I will put a link for all the products that we used in the order that we used them, so I'll have that below.
All right, flip your head this way. Should have brought my pick.
Yeah.
Picks work a little better than fingers, like honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I'm kind of surprised at how much you're going in at the root. But,
oh yeah.
But that's like, this is good for me to know.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Nail snagged you. Yeah, no, the roots, that's like all I do all the time. I'm like, my hands are constantly in my hair, like fluffing the roots. Yeah, that's every curly girl you see online. The back of their hair is flat. Like, guaranteed. It's all pulled forward.
Okay, we should put plenty of that in.
Yes, get a big hair.
Oh, is that how you put it in?
Yeah, I always put it in my hands first.
Okay.
Some people just dump it directly on, but I
do you want me to go forward at all?
Yes.
Or? Okay.
Again.
Whoop. Oh, so you go underneath.
Yep. And then you shake it in, and it'll just fade into your hair.
That smells good.
Yeah, this one is the grapefruit one.
Yeah,
I can smell it.
I just knew it. I knew she was gonna work magic. Look how cute. This is the first time I've fixed it since my haircut. And like, we didn't even cut these bangs. These are the ones like I already had. Look how short they are because they like curled up so good.
The bounce.
The bounce. That is cute. Would you look at us? Look at this. I mean, it's just a duo meant to be. I can't wait to like wash it and do it again. And I'm excited to see how this like holds on me too.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah. It's like a bit of a softer like hold, but I mean, did you bring like your bonnet? Like,
I could not find mine. I brought my daughter's though.
I can show you how to
worry.
use the silk scarf. Also,
Deal.
another thing I can show you to do.
Everything that she taught me how to do, I was like, you need to make a video on this. You need to make a video on this. So keep an eye out for her content. Don't forget to go check her out. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're following me too, duh. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Let me take off my ring so I don't snag your hair.
You can see I'm kind of a spaz.
It sounds like inappropriate.
Well, maybe we like inappropriate.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't care what the verbiage is. We just want nice hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about inappropriate DMs that we get.
Yeah.
We bonded over that, over Ty.
Yeah, people are weird. Like the things that they request in your DMs, you're like, wow, I didn't know that was something people were into. It's burning me.
You're coming home with me. I'm like out of breath though.
So much work to be this fabulous.
Well, I really didn't do the work. I just stood and bent over.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we like inappropriate.
Yeah. There's a lot of work.
That's really cute.
Yeah, there's that